Today we talk about the garlic with magnetite. A few of you mentioned something. How do you know the magnet isn't hematite or magnetite? They look the same. Choose hematite or choose magnetite. You will notice hematite will not, magnetite will. Now, if you put magnetite with hematite, it will stick. Has to be magnetite with magnetite. Now, so that's one of the questions I saw. Now, some of you might be allergic to metal. That stone needs metal, obviously. So means you can't wear it. I understand that. Some people have pacemaker, any internal devices. Do not use magnetite and avoid any magnet. Reason why, through experience, my mother had pacemaker. I asked if magnetite safe. No, because it will tweak up the battery. Wow. And Mom said, I use that all the time. What am I going to do? So, I went home. I looked. I did my homework. Guess what? Good for those who are allergic to metal. Those who can have magnetite due to internal devices. It's good news. Amethyst. Purple stone. Beautiful. It's my opinion. I made nothing with, no. I made amethyst wraparound with, not metal, but it's a bracelet, like, so that helped my mother a lot. So, that's good news. I will be doing bracelet and necklace at the week. I will start next week. I will put down the process on the video next week. At the beginning, you will all understand which one is which one and all that stuff. Now, another thing, someone had a dog, has a German Shepherd, and they were worried to ask, will magnetite help? Yes, it does help. So I made them, sold it to them, they bought it from me. That dog used to can the stops. We can get up. Wearing magnetite goes up the steps. Plays more. Not big, but plays more. Wow. Animal. That's still alive. Proof right there. The dog experienced that. We as humans tend to. When you do that, it will not work for you exactly like Tylenol or headache medicine. Take, or what? Do you take? Don't know. Nah, when I work, you still take it. Probably not. So, it takes the brain, yeah, the heart. Yes, I want to feel better. It works together. It will happen. Believe me. This is where you talk about the pool. Things off, and then later the week, another story. It's a point where my father and I were mad, so he sells those, and I thought, I don't want things that remind me about him, so I just took it off, and took it off. Oh my God. That 1 week, was in bed. I was laying alone. I was so tired. And I was told, you don't want to use that. You're missing out. Use those to help you have light. Don't worry about what happened. Use it. So I use it. Guess what? I'm able to do things better. It's not a power. Yeah, wow. It takes mind, heart, and with the eating habit, fluid, everything works together. So, okay, so that's this week about magnetite. Blessing to you with love and life, and many to you.